Day one of trying to make a new color. Actually, my brother made this. English, Tagalog to. Pala. Okay. Yulib, pengen pang ano, Kli? Day one pa lang, tas parang bago na eh. Penge. Ito guys yung ingredients.
Let's go, baby. 41. No. Sandstorm. I should have waited for the mutations. Oh no. Mangoes and stuck. No, we haven't finished.
And also guys, by the way, grow garden na kayo.
We have 3 minutes and there is a mutation.
Merong sa tingin, kasi baka ngayon at this time eh, baka meron ng bagong update.
I want to see what happens. Okay guys.
Anyways, sabihin nyo din yan kung anong update na yung sa inyo. Kasi baka itong video na ito ay, ano na yan, alam nyo. By the way, yung ano palang update ngayon ay prehistoric. Tas yung ano yan, yung mutation pets.
Oh my god. No. No.
Parang bago to ah. Guys, alam niyo kung anong kulay to?
Mga ingredients.
Uy, ito guys yung ingredients oh. Pag mix natin.
Okay, well, we can't afford the
Now, matagal na to guys. So,
Anong kulay yan?
so guys, rate it. Beanstalk color to.
Ha?
Ano siya guys? Para siyang konting brown.
Yung kulay ng...
Konting brown siya, tas hindi siya green. Dahil lang din sa shade, eh ano. Pero with human eyes, eh ano siya talaga. Oh, excuse.
Kaya magawa
Oh, see you all in the next day. Good night.